and gentlemen, once again thank you for joining in the podcast by hospitalityconnoisseur.com, where we officially talk about everything hospitality. I hope you guys liked our previous podcast about 10 tips to be a better hotelier. But if you haven't listened to it yet, then don't worry, we have every podcast available on our website. Simply tune in and keep learning, keep growing. Now, moving on to the topic of today's podcast, which is life of hoteliers after this coronavirus crisis. Today's podcast is focused on tactics and upgradation for ourselves as a hotelier, which is going to make us able to survive in this upcoming new normal. But firstly, let me throw some light on what kind of impact Indian hospitality industry had because of COVID-19 lockdown and business slowdown. Well, the Indian hospitality industry is undoubtedly one of the biggest casualties of COVID-19 outbreak, as the demand has declined to an all-time low. Ban on global tourism, suspension of visas and imposition of Section 144, which is prohibition against mass gatherings, and specifically very less support from the government. Banned airlines, travel and hotels broke the Indian hospitality sector to its lowest, with major financial losses. And the similar thing is happening with global hospitality market as well. The aviation experts suggest that the global airlines need an emergency fund of up to $200 billion as they fight for survival, and the international travel could be adversely impacted by up to 25% this year. And according to World Travel and Tourism Council, the COVID-19 pandemic could slash 50 million jobs worldwide in the travel and tourism industry, reflecting a 12 to 14% reduction in jobs and recruiting market. For Indian hotels, the key performance indicator RevPAR is significantly declined 31 to 36% current year. But still, there is a ray of hope, as experts say that the industry could take up to 10 months to recover after the COVID-19 outbreak is over. Well, moving back to the topic, the life of hotel employees after this coronavirus crisis. So, firstly, we need to understand that the recently mentioned all the downfalls are not our responsibility. There are leaders of hospitality, government officials and experts are working tirelessly to combat this bad situation and bringing the industry back on track. Well, according to us, the life of hoteliers will circle around four things or responsibilities after this crisis, which are health, sanitation, education, and discipline. We also came to know about some interesting news that says hygiene and sanitation will rule the hospitality industry. And that is 100% sure thing post-lockdown. Now, when we say health, here we are not talking about health of guests, but we are talking about health of yours, because that is one of the most important things you should consider nowadays, as you are the first contact to guests. Being healthy and clean all the time would be the first responsibility you will need to fulfill once the hotel resumes the operations. Simply stay self-aware, eat healthy food, wear washed uniform daily, practice self-distance, proper washing and sanitizing would be the things you should consider as a hotelier to remain healthy and happy. Second thing is sanitation. Every hotels are revising and publishing new SOPs to protect their staff and guests from this coronavirus. So, as an employee, we need to understand and know what are the revised SOPs, how to implement them, what are the new procedures can be used for cleaning guest rooms and public areas. what are the things we need to consider while connecting with guests, and we also need to understand what are the changes have been done to daily operations of the hotel to keep the environment safe and sanitized. Here's something very important, very important. Now the third thing is education. This thing is going to play a very important role in every hospitality professional's life because hotels have gone through much with financial losses, no occupancy, overweight staff, salary cuts, and specifically feeding over employment. As we said earlier, there is 12 to 14% reduction in the job or placement market. So, in the new normal, human resource managers will focus on hiring the right kind of multi-skilled talent to work in their organizations. Because it reduces the cost spent on each head, as they can use the remaining budget into the other operations. So as a hotelier, we need to focus more on reskilling and upskilling to remain worthy in this about to be competitive market. And honestly, there is no harm in keeping major focus on learning and development because it makes us multi-skilled, worthy, knowledgeable and ready for the survival in this new normal. So, don't forget to focus on learning. You can use our mantra, keep learning, keep growing. Lastly, the fourth thing is discipline. Discipline is about keeping all things under control, being consistent with good health, understanding and following hotel guidelines, educating yourself constantly, and remaining self-aware for the safety of yours as well as the hotel guest is all about discipline. It's simple. So, reminding you once again, good health, sanitation, constant education and discipline will be the most needed things for every hotelier after this coronavirus crisis. Don't lose the pace. Well, that is it for today. We wish you all the very best and thank you for listening to today's podcast of Hospitality Connoisseur. To know more about who we are, simply visit us online at hospitalityconnoisseur.com. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Here, learning never stops. We are Hospitality Connoisseur. Let's grow together.